Welcome to my channel. Today I will build a coffee filter holder for a friend. I have some scrap pieces of purple heart, maple, and ash lying around which I intend to use. I found some strips from previous projects made of maple and purple heart that are 1.5 centimeters wide and about 8 millimeters thick. I glued these together into a striped formation and used them as the side walls of the coffee filter holder. Once the glue has dried, I plan the stripe formation so that it is approximately 6 millimeters thick. Next, I cut the stripe formation so that I have two side walls. To ensure that both side walls are exactly the same size, I first cut the piece in half and then join the pieces together with double-sided tape. Time to start with the end walls. I'm making these from a piece of ash that I had lying around. I start by cutting the piece so that it's 6 millimeters thick. I continue by cutting the piece into two pieces that are approximately 15 centimeters long. Then I cut the width of the pieces so that they are exactly 4 centimeters wide. Finally, I cut the bottom plate. I start by cutting a piece of purple heart so that it is 12 millimeters thick. Then cut the sides of the piece so that it is 7 centimeters wide. Finally, I cut off an 18 centimeter long piece, which is the actual bottom plate. I round off the corners of the bottom plate, partly so that the edges are not sharp, and partly because I think it looks nicer with rounded corners. I also mill the edges of the top of the bottom plate. Now I have glued the side walls together with the end walls and the glue has dried. Time to cut the bottom part of the holder so that it is completely straight. To make sure I cut completely straight, I have attached a square to the sled and use this as a support. I also round off the top of the holder. This is not necessary, but it looks better with softer shapes. After gluing the bottom plate to the holder, and then sanding and varnishing, the coffee filter holder looks like this. Not bad at all.